Welcome to Cardboard World. We're excited to have you here. Let's start with cardboard. Put them together. The first room of my house will be the kitchen. Do you like cooking? I'm making kitchen shelves. Attach cardboard sheets to make a frame. The outside will be wrapped in pink paper. I will add an oven and shelves to store things. Add some cabinet handles. 2 more drawers on this side. Put it in here. Let's make the indispensable top, right guys? The kitchen cannot lack a gas stove, right? I will make a gas stove from clay. Soften the clay first. Cut off the excess outside. A stovetop. I'm making a knob. Do you like it? Add a decorative bunny ear to the back. Do you know what I'm doing? It is very necessary when cooking. Let me tell you, it's a cutting board. Next, I will use the unused tube as a plate to hold chopsticks and spoons. And I'm going to collect eggs. Will you come with me, Alice?
1, 2, 3, go!
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
Toto, we caught a few eggs and brought them to the kitchen.
Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
The kitchen needs something cooler.
Gotta get it right now.
I will make a plant pot from clay. Do you know what this tree is? Let's continue with the work. I will make a carrot refrigerator. Do you feel hungry? I'll make you a hamburger.
push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
Put them in the refrigerator until you need to use them.
Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
A floor covering is being completed. The kitchen has been completed. Next, I will do the bedroom. Comfortable bed from cardboard sheets. Soften the clay first. I will cover the outside with clay. Cut off your excess. I'm printing by hand on clay. Cut off the excess part of the blanket. Add a decorative lace border to your bed. Next, I will make a headboard. Mold soften clay. Let's decorate it to make it pretty. Rabbit ears are indispensable, right, guys? I'll give it blush. Lack of comfortable pillows, right? Let's do it together. I'm making a pretty mirror. A potted plant in the bedroom. Do you remember what you lay on when you were born? Please comment below. I will make a baby cradle here. Next, I will make some toys for the little rabbits. I'll make one for my rabbit friend. Do you know what I'm doing? I'm making an archway. will make a sofa in the living room. Put the cardboard together. Cover the outside with white clay. Attach the back of the chair. Add cute bunny ears. The yellow hatch will be the highlight. Cute wall paintings. Let's continue. I will make a rainbow slide soon. The lower part will be the swimming pool. My house is completed. How do you feel? Which house do you want tomorrow? Please let me know in the comment section.